My name is Addison, and I'm a Spanish and Politics and International Affairs major here at Furman, and today I'll tell you a little bit about this year's Furman Engaged. Furman Engaged is Furman's signature event where we have the opportunity to celebrate the unique experiences we've had throughout our Furman journey over the previous year, whether it be research, study away, or internships both domestically and abroad. It's a day to celebrate those opportunities that we've had over the previous year. On Furman Engaged, there are events happening all around campus throughout the entirety of the day. Some students will do poster presentations, some will present PowerPoints, and others will serve on panels where they will share how they've grown and matured through their experiences and how they have become more global citizens as a result. There are no classes, so students are either presenting about their experiences, or you have the unique opportunity to go hear your friends present about their internship, their research, or their study away opportunities. For underclassmen, it's a great way to see what you could get involved in throughout your Furman career. And if you're an upperclassman, it's a great way to go and support your friends and see how they have grown and matured throughout their experiences. For more information about this year's Furman Engaged, visit our website at furman.edu/furmanengaged. Go Dens!